Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to do a video on some items I received a while ago. I thought I did this video and realized I never did, and here I am. It's Souarts on Amazon, and what I received, I'm just doing a quick review. You didn't get the containers. This is what I got. These pretty cool little wooden buttons. They have different images on top of them. It's like that. All different little images. Really pretty. And also, I got the letter beads. See all these little letters? And then the string to go with in the little package. So I'm going to show you what I made with this stuff. I made some magnets, and I put my mixed media paper on it, and then those little images that I colored that are by Marlene. There's a button. Here's some of the beads. This is cute. And then it's a magnet. That one. This one, it says, I have absolutely no desire to fit in. The little robot. There's the button. Another little magnet. Just little cutesy stuff. Here's this one. It says wish. Here's all my backgrounds. And then the beads, and then the button. Yeah. This one says, I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? This one says something mysterious. And there's the button. There's this one. Cute. This one says hello. This one actually goes like this, maybe. And then this one. The sarcasm is strong with this one. Two little buttons there. And then it's like, what else can I do with the letters? And I thought they'd make cute little embellishments, you know, but I just did them on paper. Glue them down where I want them. So I did hello. There's another hello one that looks like this. And then this one is cute. And I also did a wooden piece with like a key ring on it. I guess you could use it for a key ring, but I thought I'd just do it as an embellishment. And it says joy. Got a little button. It's my mixed media paper. Little robot. And then on top I did two beads and a tassel. That's what that looks like. And then there's this one. Joy. And then, I tell ya, getting these beads around this little ring was not an easy job, but I got it done. And then the tassel. So them are my little projects that I use. The wooden beads, or the wooden buttons, and then the little beads. So, please go over and check out their store. I will have all the information linked in the description box for you. Oh, and this is just those little dominoes from the Dollar Tree. Except for these. I don't know where I got them. And I just glued my paper on. I think they look cute. And they do stick. I can show you. This is It'll fall off. Those look pretty good. Whoop. Okay. There you go. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.